Oh, good morning, Michael. Oh, good morning, Jim. What you up to? Oh, nothing much. How about you? Oh, nothing much. Just working at the station. I also learned a little funny fact. You want to hear it? Oh yeah. Sure. Tell me about it. Well, this thing I learned. Apparently, it's if you hold in your sneezes, you can like rupture a brain cell or something. Oh, really? No, hold on. I think I got a sneeze coming. Give me a minute. I think I can test it. Ah! What the hell? Why am I the one who always has to clean up this crap?